How to make money at 21. 7 lucrative ways to earn after graduating. At 21, you should have a lot of things going for you. You're young, you're smart, and most importantly, you're passionate about something that really matters to you. A lot of people think that if they turn 21, they can stop working, but the reality is the opposite of it. 21 is the age at which we graduate from our parents' house, and now you can buy a house for your own and live independently. But do you have the skills and mindset you need to succeed? Or have you already made some poor financial decisions? Learn how to build a successful online business by using the internet and blogging, plus get some tips on how to make money at home. This video is about learning about internet offering and how to make money online. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my Technical Solution channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Number 1. Do graphic designing. So, do you know what graphic design actually is? When you think of graphic design, the first thing that probably comes to your mind is visual communication. In other ways, you need a logo or some simple print material for your business. Graphic design is one of the most important skills to have if you want to become a professional artist. It refers to the creation of visual images. These images may be static, such as logos and advertisements, or they may be dynamic, such as layout of website, illustration, and posters. Similarly, graphic design involves a large amount of creativity and design skills. If you are looking to be hired by a corporation or to freelance your talent, it's a great way to be proficient in it. In addition, graphic design is an exciting career because you get to work closely with clients to solve their problems. You get to collaborate with artists, photographers, animators, web designers, videographers, developers, marketers, and more. Number 2. Get gig-based tasks. Secondly, gig-based tasks are a great way to earn a bit extra money on the side, while also getting a little head start on the year ahead. Whether you prefer to work independently or collaborate with others, you can get involved in one or more of the following gigs. All of them are suitable for anyone with a laptop and a desire to make some money. To get your first gig, you need to build a profile that shows you're a good fit. The easiest way to do it is to make sure you're building a reputation for yourself online. You can do this by doing some simple tasks like giving digital assets free of cost, and you're participating in online forums. By developing this online presence, you are building trust with potential clients, and once you have this trust, you can start to charge more money. Number 3. Rent a home on Airbnb. Have you heard of it? There's a new type of vacation rental that's getting a buzz. It's called Airbnb. This short-term rental place has been growing at a breakneck pace in recent years. The numbers are staggering. According to one estimate, there are now 12.7 million listings on Airbnb alone. And what makes Airbnb different from hotel? How does it compare to other vacation rentals? So, Airbnb allows rental furnished apartments anywhere, but this type of facility isn't available in regular hotels. Therefore, you can try this platform as an opportunity to earn a side income. Number 4. Sell your passion. The very basic core of a man's living spirit is his passion for adventure. You can't sell yourself, but you can sell your passion. That is, you can sell your enthusiasm for what you are doing. You can sell the fact that you love what you do. When someone asks you about what you do, you can sell your passion by telling them why you're so passionate about what you do. That is not a trick, but rather a simple fact. There's no way around it. People need to know that you do what you do. So, what you're talking to someone about what you do, you can tell them about your passion. For instance, you can choose what you like, learn skills around it, and start cashing it. Number 5. Start an industry-specific podcast. Do you ever feel like you're missing out on something, or probably you're looking for inspiration in the specific industry? Then you're in luck. I have got a brand new idea called Industry-Specific Podcast that's sure to help you find that big opportunity in your industry. Start with an industry-specific podcast that helps you build your brand, connect with your audience, and create more opportunities to make money. You'll get to learn from the experts, be inspired by the stories of others, and build relationships with the industry leaders. You'll also get to talk directly with your fans and followers every week to get your message across. There's no denying it, podcasts are hot. According to a recent report by DemandSig Research, there were estimated 383.7 million podcast listeners in 2022. Number 6. Become an SEO expert. Google is the king of search engines. It dominates the majority of internet searches. More than 2/3 of the queries in the US are made on Google, so it is important to understand the basic of how search engines work. In order to succeed online, you must master search engine organization (SEO), learn how to optimize your content, and get ahead of the competition. Also, SEO is the backbone of any successful business. It is the form of marketing that relies on search engine and algorithms to help web visitors find websites and content online. However, SEO experts help help businesses get higher ranking in search engine results, allowing more people to find and visit their website. If you have an interest in this skill, then you will learn a lot from it. Before I move to the next and last method to make money, let me tell you about a fantastic tool. Go to this link down below. You'll find free keyword research tools, free competitors analysis tool for SEO, Google SERP robot, Binge SERP robot, top ranking keywords, index pages, submit sitemaps, and much more. Number 7. Start blog in your local language. Blog in your local language can generate better traffic and more leads for small businesses and startups. You know that SEO is important for blogs, as told previously, but the content should be written in your local language to increase your search ranking. This will make your blog appear in your search results. So, if you're planning to start a blog, then you'll need to learn how to start a blog in your native language. That's because if you want to make money from your blog, then you should do so in the local language. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online, but the truth is that you don't need to be a rocket scientist to make money online. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a good product or service to sell. And if you can do that, then you can start making online money. That is it for today. Thanks for watching.